So this is all about color and fabric because that is my favorite topic. All right. And we're going to get into what does hashtag no more quilt clones mean. Now, this is a page from my book on color and color relationships. And the thing about color is that if you learn a little bit, all of a sudden, you can try new things. So no more quilt clones. I was talking to a woman who does long arm quilting. We were talking about how she's from Florida, and she often gets, a whole class of people who've taken a class that uses the kit for the class, or you choose between two of them or whatever from your quilt shop. And she said, all these women walk in the door and I'll have 20 quilts that are exactly the same that I have to quilt. And she's like, I've never been so bored. And I feel bad for her. I felt bad for her. But we talked about there's got to be a way for people to start being able to figure out how to not make a quilt that is just like everyone else's, but that has enough of a difference that it's really belongs to them and reflects their personality. But you can make a quilt your own, whether you use a kit or pre-cuts. I mean, you can switch out a fabric or two. You can, even with a fabric collection, you can use someone's collection, but maybe not use all of it. Use a couple of pieces and then add in fabrics from your stash or from the quilt shop. And then there's choosing your own. So which is what I hope everybody gets to. But there's a lot of steps along the way that you can work on to get to do some practice on choosing fabrics.